Food Hall, working with my friends at Canada's Food Island. We're cooking up Prince Edward Island mussels. The recipe we're going to do today is Mussels Dijonnaise with a PEI twist, of course. We are going to be using some copper bottom beer, and our Dijonnaise is made by a wonderful local company, and we're going to be using Atlantic mustards, herb de Provence, because we're going to really pump up that French flavor. And this recipe is really simple. You can make it for 2 people, you can make it for 20 people. It just depends on the size of your pot and how many people you want to serve today. So to start this dish, I'm going to start how most good recipes start, and that's with some butter. Of course, we've got our delicious ADL butter, and I've got some onions, and I'm just going to start sweating them. We don't want to have any brown. We're just looking to make them translucent. And then we're going to add in some fresh thyme and of course some garlic, because mussels and garlic is a wonderful thing. The pairing of garlic and the Dijon mustard is really important. So the mustard I'm going to use today, as I said, is from Atlantic mustard, and it's herb de Provence. So that means there's a lot of special spices and herbs that go into this. It really enhances that French flavor, and it's perfect for the holidays. Wetting off our onions, we're going to add in some fresh thyme. Again, a really great soft herb that's used in French cooking. And we're going to add in some black pepper. And I'm doing coarsely ground here. Here we go. Things are starting to happen. Aromas should be coming your way. And of course, we're going to add in some garlic now, because we all love a little garlic. I'm doing a lot of garlic. And again, we're not trying to get any color on this. We just want it to be soft. We want the aromas to be fragrant. Now, we're not going to add our mustard right away. First, I'm going to add in some of our beer. As I said, I'm using our Centennial Stock Ale from Copper Bottom. And I like to always save a little in the can for me, because it is hard work. So it's okay if you do that too. Okay? And it's just really simple foundation flavors. We're taking our time to let everything kind of just come to life. And of course, we got our local cream. So now this is a really great sauce. This can work well if you want to also use this as a base for a chowder, if you want to go in a different direction. This also works really well as a sauce for pasta. So if you want to do mussels and spaghetti, this would also really work that way. But here we're doing some classic mussels, and you get some bread for dipping. But again, this is really versatile and works so well with so much of our island shellfish. Our lobster would be incredible as well. Important that we add in our mustard kind of towards the end, because we want to make sure that we're getting all of that kind of piquancy that mustard provides. And this stuff is just so incredible. If you haven't tried this yet, you got to do it. And they have so many different flavors. And then we're going to add in our mussels.